Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Just went live. I'm not in any trade right now. Let me actually see if everything is working. There we go. This seems to work here. Alright, even my bot seems to work, that's good. I think I finally fixed everything, honestly. Alright guys, let's see. And by the way guys, I can actually finally see the order flow. Because I got my DX feed subscription back, so yeah. I shared some levels in the Discord that I'm looking to trade, and they're also on the chart here guys. These are some possible shorts that we can take. And I'm gonna look for longs here. Let me actually see what other levels are. I know that this one is a really strong support, guys. But I might also try a small short here. I mean long if we go here. We'll see. Let me quickly see something though. Wait, I can actually put this here, I think. No, wait. So what is ES doing, guys? Not a lot of action right now. I think we won't see a lot of action until New York open, which is in like 2 hours. No, 3 hours actually. Oh wait, I have my stream open twice, sorry. I'm gonna go to OBS here. This range point of control that I showed yesterday on stream has been holding really well, by the way. You can see we had 2 perfect retests here, one and the second one. But I didn't long this, guys. This is not a high quality, like a really good setup. I mean, it is a valid setup, but it's too risky for me. And we had a really insane day yesterday, so I'm not gonna risk anything. I'm not gonna be like risking doing any stupid trades. Just gonna wait for my levels like yesterday. I'd see a pullback from here, guys. This is actually first strong resistance level here that they just hit. You can see this here, guys. I'm gonna mark it on the chart quickly so you guys can see. This is the first really strong resistance level here, but I'm not gonna short here. I'm gonna try a short from here, by the way. And I actually not able to hit this level. Let me go. There we go, I mean. But I'm gonna try to short here. At this level I wanna try a short, and at this maybe. Just a scalp short of a really tight invalidation here. I'm not gonna risk more than $100 on this trade because it's still a short and we're in an uptrend. But we could actually hold this back to this point of control here. And if this is a stop loss, guys, this will be the next level that is somehow interesting to short as well. The only thing here I would actually choose a stop loss above these highs. So you could play something like this here. But I'm not gonna leave them as a limit order now, guys. I wanna see the reaction on these levels here because I don't wanna have two limit shorts open, but these are two setups that I'm looking for. With a really low risk, guys, and we were $700 up yesterday, so yesterday was such a good stream. So guys, I hope you had a great day as well yesterday. And let's see what today brings. Yeah, I have some good setups here on the chart. I'm just gonna wait for them. I'm not gonna rush into any trade right now. But I do still expect higher on ES actually, guys. So this is also why I don't want to short this level here, because I think here are gonna be a lot of shorts that are gonna be stopped out if we go back up here. So I rather wait for higher here. I'm gonna wait for this level and this one here most likely. We'll see the reaction once you hit the level, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm actually gonna enter a short or not. But this one I have a limit order on this level here, guy, a buy limit and also a buy limit here, just in case we go lower. But right now it doesn't look like it. But you never know. And by the way, I'm gonna give away a 25k account, guys, for free. So all you need to do to join the giveaway, you just type 25k in the chat like this. And also sign up on the link. Wait, I'm also gonna type this once more. You can just type !giveaway and then sign up for the link, and also type !25k, and you'll be able to join the giveaway. Let me quickly see that everything is working on the panel here. Really slow price action so far, guys. Wait, this is the wrong account now. Oh no. No, it's the right one. Alright, perfect. Looks like we have seen a rejection from this level here right now, guys. Well, we didn't quite hit this one yet, actually. Didn't quite hit this level yet, but I do think we're gonna hit this still. And I'm not in a trade right now, guys, for anyone that's curious. I haven't taken any trade today. This would have been a trade you could have taken, but it was not a really good setup in my opinion. But we also did a bullish CVD at these lows here, so yeah, it was good. But I wasn't even awake then, so... Oh nice, we have some chatters. What are you doing, Futures Trader, man? I hope you're doing well. You also have to sign up on the link, but I'm gonna give away one account at the end of the stream, guys, for free, for completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And it's also on, in my opinion, the best prop firm right now, which is FundedNext, so... I hope you're doing well, guys, and yeah, let's see if we can actually hit a sick trade again today. Honestly, guys, the past few... I've been streaming for 2 weeks now, and honestly, like, we've been on fire, like, you saw the trades live. Wait, I have to mute this. I could hear me twice just now. Wait, 1 second, guys, sorry. There we go, I think I fixed it. So yeah, what I wanted to say is we had some insane trades on the stream. Yesterday as well, we had an amazing win for $800 live on stream. And yeah, it's been going really good, and last week was also insanely good. So we had some really 2 amazing streaming weeks so far. Scalp trading ES futures, so yeah. And I also heard from a lot of people that are in my Discord that they also took some similar trades as mine, and it's just really cool, guys. We've had such good 2 weeks. And we have to be just patient here. I don't want to force any trades that are bad, guys, because I'm taking all my trades on my own funded accounts, just so you know. These are not paper trades. I take them on my own funded accounts. So I want to be, you know, I only want to take high quality setups. There's no need for me to rush into anything. But yeah, Futures Trader, if you guys want to win an account, $25,000 futures account, where you can actually trade similar levels as mine, or you can trade on your own, of course, doesn't matter. I'm gonna give away a 25k account at the end of the stream today, and anyone can join. It's completely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything for it. And even if you lose the account, nothing is gonna happen. So this is a really good way to learn trading for anyone that's new to trading, guys. And I've given away like 5 of these accounts already, and you can also go into my Discord. Like, all my giveaways are real. I'm not faking any giveaways. And I'm gonna quickly check how many people joined the giveaway so far, because I have it saved on with my bot here. So to join the giveaway, guys, you have to type !giveaway, and you also have to type !25k to track that you entered. But like, it's really simple. You just have to sign up with the link and type this word in the chat, and yeah, it's gonna track you. I'm gonna try to see where I can find how many people joined it so far. There's a really good chance of winning still, because we don't have too many people, I think, that joined. Oh, they use AI for translations on this platform. It's really annoying. I got it though. We have nobody that joined. That's strange. That's strange though, because I saw someone just type it now. Let me see if the bot is still in here. Oh, whoops. Yeah, the bot is in here. Let me type 25k. It should work. It should actually work, guys. Yeah, it does work now, guys. Try it again. Try typing 25k again. It does work now. I think you also have to be subscribed to the channel if you type that. I'm not sure though. It should work even without. So we saw some pullback here. We almost hit this level here. Not exactly though yet. It's exactly the same level as the 15-minute resistance level as well. I'm gonna look for some shorts here, guys. For all the people that are new into the stream, I'm gonna look for some shorts either here or up here. These are some really strong order flow levels from extra charts. Yes, I'm definitely gonna try a small short here, and if we go lower, guys, this is what I would hope to see today, that we actually go to my entry here, to either this entry or this entry. I have two trades placed here, so I'm waiting for these to hit. Yeah, now I think now you're shown. Let me check if I see you now. Futures. Yeah, you're in the giveaway now. Now all you need to do is sign up with this link that from Botrix that is in the chat. Just sign up with that link with your email, and that's it. And maybe also join my Discord, so I can, yeah, but you don't have to join the Discord, but I would also join it. But you are in the giveaway. Now you just need to sign up with the link, and that's it. And the accounts are worth like $80, guys. So I'm giving away basically $80, and it's on FundedNext. So it's I use FundedNext to trade here exactly the same as I do on stream. So I use FundedNext myself, and I got payouts there. I also post all some of the payouts in my Discord as well. Yeah. And basically, because I'm promoting them a bit, they are giving me free accounts to give away, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna give away two $25,000 account in 2 times a week. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys. If you don't win today, you can always win another time. Because there are not too many people that joined the giveaway yet, so there's a very high chance of winning actually. So guys, how was your trading week? Did you have a good trading week, or are you also still waiting for your trades to hit, to fill? Kind of boring price action. I think it will be kind of boring the stream for the next 1 or 2 hours, guys, because we're just ranging here, and I don't wanna rush into any trade here. I don't like trading when we're in a range here. Like, we're in the middle of this range. Why would I go into a short or into a long here? It's way too risky. It's not a good setup to just gamble here. And the cool thing is, guys, I actually got my DX feed access again, so I will be able to look at the order flow. I can't show this on stream because it's not allowed to show this on stream, I think. I need to check that first. But these levels are from the order flow. This is the order flow like this as well. And this one here. No, wait, this one here. I don't have another chart, but it's this one. So these are strong resistance levels up here and strong support levels here. I'm actually going to remove this one for now. And also this one, so it's a little bit more clean. But how was your week, guys? Tell me a little bit about your week. Did you have a good week? And I hope you guys watched my stream from yesterday. We had such an insane stream, actually. We hit the 5.2 RR trade on stream yesterday, which is kind of crazy. Like, the price action is so boring right now. I think I should have waited with streaming. I might actually stop the stream soon again and start again in 1 or 2 hours, because it's just like there's nothing happening, guys. But at least I was able to show you the levels that I'm looking to trade. But it's like there's nothing happening, and the weather is so nice here in Switzerland. I might quickly go out until like 3 PM. We'll see, we'll see. I'm gonna stay on a little bit longer. I'm checking something quickly, guys. Oh, the market is kind of boring right now, guys. It's like the moves are so slow. I mean, look at these candles. This was a 1 hour candle here. These are 1 hour candles, guys, and we're just like staying at the same price. So it's kind of boring to stream like this. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. I'm not gonna rush into any trades just because I'm streaming. I know there are many like streamers, guys, that are always in a trade, but yeah, most of them don't really trade on their own funded accounts. They're just like doing content for streaming, you know what I mean? Let me check something quickly on my phone. What is the market doing? Not even moving really. Still not moving, guys. Kind of boring. Let me check something. I need to work on some quick two things. I'm gonna repeat my trading plan again quickly after I did this, guys, for all the new people that are watching. That is so strange. Can't really find what I'm looking for here. Let me quickly change my, because something is wrong with my stream description as well. I need to change that quickly now. I did the one thing. Now let me do the other thing. Alright, let me change the title and everything because it's wrong right now. Welcome, guys. I just changed my title to welcome to all the new viewers, guys. I need to quickly change some stuff. But yeah, you can join the giveaway. I just saw someone type something. You can join the giveaway, guys, by typing !giveaway. I'm gonna type it in the chat quickly on YouTube. Like this here, and then just sign up on the link and then type 25k like you did, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna choose the winner of the 25k account at the end of the stream today. How are you doing, man, Futures Trader? And we have some chatters in the chat. That's cool, man. My stream is doing kind of well today. I think maybe because of the last streams we have made such insane trades. Yeah, exactly. You type giveaway like that, guys. Exactly, so just use that link, and then, wow, we've seen a pump here, a small pump, guys. So guys, to all the new viewers here, by the way, yesterday we hit an amazing $800 trade live on my 50k account, and it was a 5.2 RR trade, guys, live on stream for anyone that watched me. So that was absolutely amazing. And now I'm looking for basically 3 trades that free trade levels, no 4 trade levels. So I'm gonna look for a short, maybe up here or here. I'm gonna wait for the reaction. I'm not gonna short this level, guys. This is too risky in my opinion. I'm not gonna short here. And I have 2 long limits orders open on my 50k account. This is one here with a stop loss where we lose $108, and I have another one with the stop and with the entry here at this level. This is a really strong level, by the way. I hope we will go back here today, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think we're gonna go higher, we'll see. But if we hit this, is a really good setup, and take profit would be for 1.3k here on both these orders, guys. So if we go there and go up to the highs here, that would be insane. But we never know what's gonna happen, obviously. We'll see what the market is gonna give us today. But right now I'm not in any trade, guys. I'm waiting for my next trade. But we had an absolute banger stream yesterday. I mean, this we hit such an insane... We hit this trade yesterday, live on stream. From here to here. This was my exact entry here, by the way. And I even said we're gonna go up here live on stream. So this was an absolute banger stream yesterday. So we basically longed the low and took the full profit at the highs here, at the value area high here. So this was a really, really cool stream yesterday. So let's see how many people joined the giveaway, guys. Nice, we have some people, like 7 people that joined it so far. What do you trade? I'm trading ES futures on my 50k account. I have 4 50k funded accounts on FundedNext. And I trade ES futures right now, micro E-mini S&P 500 futures. Man, we have some chatters today in YouTube, so that's cool. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. I'm gonna stream a lot more. I started to stream 2 weeks ago, and like every stream was an absolute banger stream. What do you trade, guys, by the way? Sorry, I was texting someone quickly. What do you guys trade? Do you trade Nasdaq or ES futures as well? And also make sure to like the stream, guys. We need some more likes, please. We actually need some more likes. We have a lot of people watching, but no likes. And I'm gonna give away, guys, for the new viewers, I'm gonna give away 2 25k futures accounts, funded future accounts, every week here on FundedNext. So yeah, I'm gonna give them away, and that's all gonna be real winners. I'm not doing any fake things here, any fake stuff here, guys. All my trades that I take are on my actual funded accounts, and all my giveaways are real. Just want to make that clear. Nasdaq, man, cool. Yeah, Nasdaq is just a little bit more volatile. It's like really similar to ES, but I've been loving ES, honestly. I love to trade ES, and I had to stop like streaming on my other 4 accounts, because the other 4 accounts were funded, and I have a good track record there, and it's actually against the rules to stream the exact trades you trade on your main accounts. So I started a new challenge, scalp trading, but I've been loving it, and we are already 1.5k up, guys, in 1 week. So this is absolutely crazy. From all the trades that I streamed live, and we're almost past the challenge now. We're more than halfway done. So I think we can maybe even pass it this week, depending if we're gonna find a new nice trade today or not. Are you guys, by the way, what's your name? Let me check. Eva. Okay, I'm gonna call you Eva. Do you trade on funded accounts as well, right? Or do you trade with your own money? And where are you guys from, by the way? I'm really new to streaming, guys. It's cool to have some chatters in here and viewers as well. So any support helps, any subscription and any like helps, guys. I'm gonna be streaming a lot more. And I'm also not selling anything, guys. I'm not selling any courses, I'm not selling signals and all that stuff. I'm just trading here live. You are from Own Capital. Oh, okay. So you don't know anything about like prop firm trading. Wait, my title didn't change, guys. Did my title change? Oh yeah, it did change, alright. And Pittsburgh, USA. Man, I want to go to the USA. I tell this, I'm from Switzerland, right? I live in Switzerland. But I've always wanted to go to the USA because the only thing I hate about Switzerland is the weather, guys. The weather is insane. Like right now, it's so depressing. Unless you actually go to winter sports, which I'm probably gonna start again. But if you don't do winter sports during the winter, guys, it's like the only thing you can do is go to the gym. It's kind of crazy, and it gets dark like very early like at 5 p.m. it's almost dark already now. So how was your week, guys? How was your trading week? Did you have a good week so far? Oh, we're seeing some movement now. This is why I didn't want to short this, guys. This is why I told you I don't want to short in the middle of this range. Like, it's too risky. There's such a high chance that we can just go up here. It's not really worth it to risk any trade here, in my opinion. And these two levels, by the way, guys, these are session point of control levels from the real CME data. I use extra charts for that, and I think they will be a strong resistance here. We'll see once we get up here. Pretty rough, yeah, man. There's like, I had really good 2 last weeks, but before these 2 weeks I had a really rough week as well, man. So it's part of the game. I had a really rough week then as well. Like, almost had no take profits in the whole week. That was crazy. But I had a really good last 2 weeks so far, and I can't complain. Like, almost all the trades go according to the plan, especially if you watch the previous streams. I mean, you can watch all my previous streams on Kick as well if you're watching Kick. Because I didn't stream all of the streams here on YouTube, sadly. I still need to figure out, because one of my channels was somehow shadow banned, so I had to switch the channels, guys. But it's nice to have some viewers in here, guys. I like to see that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, like the stream, that would be also cool. And join the giveaway if you haven't. So are you guys trading full-time? Did you two guys that wrote something in the chat, Eva and FuturesTrading, are you full-time traders yet, or are you still like getting into the game? Really slow market. I can't wait for New York open. Wait, it's like 8 a.m. for you guys, from at least for the futures trader from the USA. Isn't it like 8 a.m. for you guys? Or like 9 or 8 a.m.? I think it's 9 a.m. right now. In the United States of America. I think it's around 9 a.m. now. Pretty rough in the game. Yeah, but you know the most important thing, guys, just keep going, because I see this with many people that give up way too early, because it's normal to have like bad weeks and even sometimes lose your accounts, right? It's part of the game. So you just gotta be consistent and not give up, because remember this is one thing many people don't talk about, but like becoming profitable usually takes 3 years or something like that. 3 to 5 years I think it is. And on Instagram and TikTok, or even on YouTube, everyone says you can get like rich trading really fast, and that's just not how it works. It's like with any business, guys. You need to put a lot of time into it and just keep going, and you will reach the point where you will be profitable. It's 7 a.m. man, crazy. That's early, so you're an early bird. I was sleeping until 10 a.m. today, and it's 1 p.m. now in Switzerland. So I started like streaming, I think like 40 minutes ago. But my sleeping schedule is like messed up, honestly. I go to sleep at 1 or 2 a.m. every day, and then wake up at 10 or 11 in the morning, and then I start streaming. So it's like kind of my schedule is so messed up right now. Really boring market right now though, guys. I'm gonna go on 5 minutes so we can see some more action. This is a little bit too boring on 30-minute chart. But I think I was even on the 1 hour chart. Let's go 15 minutes though, so we can see the range a bit better. Up since 2:30 p. Wait, what? You've been up since 2 AM? Why? That's crazy. That's crazy, man. What have you been doing? So, are you working like that? Did you work or? By the way, guys, this is the first time you watch my stream. Just want to know if it's the first time or not. If you guys are new viewers. Let me see what he wrote. Try to catch London Open. Wow, you are crazy, man. I mean, I did go to sleep at like 5 AM the other day, but even like, I don't know, like, I don't want to go to sleep later than 2 or 3 AM, because if I do that, I'm gonna wake up at like 1 PM, and I don't want this to happen, guys. I mean, already waking up at 2 to 11 AM every day is kind of late, you know what I mean? And I don't want it to be worse. But the cool thing is, for me, New York Open is at 3:30 PM, so that's in 2 hours, right? 2 hours and 10 minutes. So that's really cool. So I can afford to sleep longer, you know, and I like to trade sometimes at the night as well. Like at 12 or 1 AM, I do usually sometimes play some trades as well. Try to catch the London. So did you have a good trade today or not? Did it work out your trade, or didn't it go according to the plan? But you should really look into funded trading, by the way. If you only trade with your own capital, because I can highly recommend it. Honestly, it costs you. I have 50k accounts. I only buy 50k accounts, right? I have 4 50k funded accounts, and it cost me like $600 for all these accounts. So I paid $600 to have 200k in funding, right? And if you catch even one move, like for example, yesterday I caught. Oh, you're funded and live. Oh, I didn't know that, man. Cool. What is your trading strategy? Do you trade, like, what do you trade? Oh, sorry, I thought you're not funded yet. That was my bad. Because someone said, wait, who was this though? Oh, it was the other guy. Sorry, it was Evestein. It was him or her. I'm not sure if it's him or her. He should really look into it, because honestly, trading on prop firms is really cool. I mean, it's like you can scale really good. If you're a good trader, you can scale like to 600. You can scale to 300k funded on FundedNext, and I'm at 200k now, so I'm not fully maxed funded yet on the futures futures. What are your trading hours? So my trading hours, this is like my trade. I usually it's really difficult, honestly, because wait, I have to like calculate it in your time, but I started trading today like 3 hours ago, like 2 or 3 hours ago from the time now is where I usually start my trading day, and then I trade for until midnight actually. But obviously I'm not always in front of the computer, so it's like a little bit it really depends on the market. I don't really have a fixed trading fixed times where I trade, you know what I mean? It depends on when my levels hit. So I'm looking at levels, and once they hit, I'm gonna go into a trade. So it really depends, but yeah. Take Profit Trader. So you guys are using Take Profit Trader. I have not used them yet. I use FTMO for Forex, and I use FundedNext for futures. This is what I use, and also for Forex. But and they've been really good. Both the FTMO and FundedNext are two really good prop firms. So yeah. Stronger push now, guys, on ES. As I said, I didn't want to short this, and this is exactly why, because I do think we're gonna go higher here. I do think we're at least gonna go here, and I do actually even think we're gonna go up here into this region here. And yeah, hopefully we can see a dump here, but I don't think it is gonna happen to my entries, to my long entries. I don't want to long here, it's too risky. We're inside this range, guys. I longed this here yesterday on stream. I longed this exact low yesterday and closed it around here for a 5.2 RR. So this is my setup yesterday. I took live on stream, guys, by the way. It was here, was the entry. Oh wait, that's a short. Wrong tool. I need the long position tool. And I took profits here at the value area high, guys. And the stop loss, it was a fib, it was this fib. I'm gonna show it to you guys quickly. Wait, where did I pull this from? Yeah, it was the anchored viewer on the fib here, guys. And the stop loss was below the 0.786 fib. You can go back, you can just watch the stream if you want. But this was a really cool trade. 6848 is crucial for ES 6848. Let me look at that. 6848. Do you mean this level here? Yeah, I mean, what I'm looking at, honestly. So this is what I want to see, guys. As you can see here, this was the anchored VWAP from this whole uptrend here. And we did hold this as support. This is also where I took a long from yesterday. And right now, if I pulled the anchored VWAP as well from this level here, guys, we can actually pull it from here as well. And as you can see here, guys, look at this. We did hit this to the exact dollar here, right? Saw a massive pullback. So if this is my prediction, really like easily explained. If we go up here, guys, and we hold this here as support, I do think we can actually go much higher. But this is going to be the first strong resistance here. These two levels are going to be the first strong resistance for potential shorts. But if these don't hold, honestly, we're going to go up here. If these two don't hold. And it really depends if we stay above this or below this. So if we stay below this, we're like the bear market can go on longer, or this like downtrend can go on longer, not bear market. We're not in a bear market at all on ES, but the downtrend can go on longer if we actually stay below here. So this is my plan. What do you trade, guys? Do you trade like fibs? Do you trade volume profiles? What is your like? I would be interested to know what you guys trade. Like, what is your strategy that you guys use? How do you call your strategy? What I'm basically doing, guys, how I trade, I use different trading view tools. I like to trade horizontals, fibs, and volume profiles, and I also use Excel charts for order flow. And then I combine these levels, and if I have more like 2 or 3 levels lining up at one spot, that usually means break and retest. You're a scalper, nice. So I'm new to scalping, man. This is the first challenge that I took, scalp trading. Well, it's not really low time frame scalping. As you can see, I'm not trading this right here. I could trade this, but you're probably trading even lower time frame. You're maybe trading 5-minute levels as well, right? I mean, this was a good 5-minute long here, honestly. Took out these lows here, as you can see here. Took out these lows here, perfect retest, and here you could have entered the long, and yeah, it would have been up nicely. And also the confluence was this point of control here, and the range point of control that I showed yesterday in stream. We hit this one once, twice, and then saw a nice pullback here. So these would have been 2 nice long trades here. One from here and one from here, actually. But I didn't take them. I didn't take them personally, so... Guys, I need to quickly do something for 1 second, so give me 1 minute. How much are you guys funded with, by the way, futures trader? How much are you funded with? Where is this? What I'm looking for, guys? I'm looking for something. The weather is so nice in Switzerland today, guys. It's kind of crazy that I'm inside here trading. But it is what it is. We need to make some gains today as well. But I really like to stream now. I'm starting to get a rhythm for streaming as well. I've done it for 2 weeks now. Like the first few streams were kind of rough, but my average is, wow, crazy, man. 5 to 10 points on ES. I thought it's RR. 50k, yeah, 50k are the best accounts. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. 50k futures accounts are the best prop firm accounts you can buy. To scale as well. I also have only 50k accounts. So you say that the ES is a better instrument. Yeah, the reason why I trade ES, guys, really simple why I trade ES. And I also like it more than trading Forex on prop firms because the price action is much more accurate. Forex is not regulated, guys, and futures are regulated, so this is a big difference. And this usually for me, this means my levels hit a lot better. And you can also buy CMA data, which I also bought. It costs $100 a month, though it's kind of expensive. And $50 for the software, so I pay like $150 a month for my software alone. But with that you can look into the order flow, so I can see exactly what is happening inside these candles live. Like how many market buys and market sells were inside of here. I can see the CVD, I can see point of controls, like so much stuff that is really important as well. But you can become profitable, guys. Don't get me wrong, you don't need any of these tools. You can become profitable with trading only with TradingView. I use this other tool only for additional confluence for my trades. But you don't need that, trust me. You can, even with levels based on only on technical analysis, you can become a really good trader, and these other tools are not necessary. It's just like an additional confluence for your trade if you want to go in or not. This is basically what it's good for. What did you guys type? So you say that the ES is a better instrument. This I answered. I also like Apex, but blew all my accounts, unfortunately. I think the bad thing about Apex is that you have a trailing drawdown, right? This is the bad thing about Apex, I think. On FundedNext, this is why I use FundedNext personally. You don't have you don't have an activation fee, so you pay once and that's it. You don't pay monthly, and you don't have trailing drawdown. You also have your fixed end of the day drawdown, which is a lot better. I hate to trade with a trailing drawdown. It's like so annoying. It's honestly a scam in my opinion, trading with a trailing drawdown. I'm gonna be honest. And I'm using the rapid accounts. You can wait. I'm actually gonna send you a link quickly, guys, if you want to check those out. Oh crap! How can I actually? This is so annoying. And guys, make sure to join the giveaway. Type !25k. I'm gonna give away an account anyways on FundedNext for free today on the stream. So anyone that's interested, guys, in winning the account, you just gotta type !giveaway. What did you guys? Oh man, I have such an active chat, guys, today. It's so much more fun to stream when you at least have some chatters and viewers. Because yeah, I also like Apex, but oh, this is one I wrote. I was above the buffer on all of them. Just one bad trade. Yeah, you know what? I can give you. The crypto botter is back, man. There we go. He is actually back, our legend. Type !giveaway, guys. I also like Apex, but beyond, yeah, this is, you know, this is what I wanted to say. This is a tip I can give you, by the way, if you tend to blow many accounts. I'm gonna explain it to you on the chart. It's a little bit easier to explain. So let's say I'm trading on a 50k account, right? And you have the drawdown rules. And if you're not sure if your strategy is good, guys, or if you haven't tested your strategy for a long time yet and you want to try to see if the strategy is profitable, I can really advise you to use micro futures, use micro E-mini futures. And then I'm going to show it to you. This is how I place the trade. I'm doing a right click right here on TradingView, and with FundedNext you can actually connect your TradingView to your Funded account, so you can trade like this directly on TradingView. And this is how the cool thing. So if let's say you want to go into a long here, right? Let's just an example. I wouldn't take this trade, but just an example. Let's say you want to go into long here, right? You would want to long this, and then you place the buy limit, right? And this is, let's say you want to take the profit at the high of the range here, and now you can see how much you lose on the trade, right? You can see this. I would lose $80, $86 here if it goes into stop loss. So if you see that you're over risking, or you want to try the strategy for longer, you can just decrease the contracts here, guys. I'm going to decrease it to 1 here, see, and now the loss is only $41. And now I can even put the stop loss much further away, right? And I would still only lose $60 on the 50k account. And you can still make a lot of money. I would still make $240 here. So this is a little tip. At least I've had some payouts before. Yeah, so that's good, yeah. But this is one tip I can give to anyone that's like new into trading, guys. Start with really low contracts. You don't have to gamble, guys. Stop gambling around. Just use one or two contracts only for each trade. And then you're not gonna blow the account quick. It's impossible if you only lose $80 for a trade, guys, to blow the account. And you can go down 3k or 2.5k, I think it is, depending on which account you choose. So yeah, guys, make sure to do that. Don't gamble around. I quickly wanted to do something, guys. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Let me see. Let me see. I think this it is. I need to improve the tags on my stream quickly, guys. I forgot to add my tags. Is this good here? Wait. There we go. Let me see if I can change these tags. There we go, guys. I did it. But we're moving higher, as I told you guys. It still looks like we're gonna go higher here. Alright guys, I did it. Finally found what I was looking for. There we go. So yeah, I'm just chilling, guys. I don't want to rush into any trade here. We just gotta be patient here, honestly. So here, this would be two potential shorts, guys, that I'm gonna take myself, most likely. Let me change the contracts to 3 here. I don't want to trade 1 here. So this is something I'm looking to maybe take here, depending on the reaction. This would be one setup, right? Stop loss above this wick here, and we would lose only $100. And this is a strong resistance level here for sure. And maybe if we go higher, this would be the next entry, guys. And here I would actually put this stop loss a little bit higher above these highs here. So we could lose like $300 on both trades. And we can make much more if we go down here again. So we need one trade to basically win. And even if we lose one of these trades, we would still go into profit for the day. And this is what I'm usually doing, guys. I usually like to place 1 or 2 or 3 orders with a small invalidation, like here again, like this one again, at different levels. And yeah, this is what I usually like to do. But I'm not going to do more than 2 or 3 at the same zone. That would be too risky. But like this, for example, if we go down here now, guys, and this one hits a stop loss, I lose $100 on my 50k account. And if we go here and this plays out, guys, I can still make 1.3k and this loss wouldn't matter at all. You know what I mean? So basically, I have a higher probability of one trade going according to the plan, and I still don't risk a lot. I only risk $300 for a 50k account. That is not a high amount. And if I lose both of these trades, guys, then I'm gonna stop for the day. This is like how I trade. After 2 or max 3 losses a day, I stop for the whole day, no matter what. This is like really important. Because if you don't do that, guys, this is how you blow accounts. Then you're just gonna gamble around and do revenge trading. So you only use Apex? Or wait, what was the prop firm you used? Or do you use any other prop firms? Do you use only... Wait, let me see which one it was. You also like Apex. Yeah, this is Apex you said, and... What is the other one? Take Profit Trader, yeah. Why don't you use like FundedNext? So, is there a reason why you chose Apex and the other one over that? Would be interesting to know. Guys, I quickly need to check out something. Oh wait, let me open the chart so the price is actually moving. Kinda boring price action though, like at least for me. Where is this? I'm looking for something. Still going higher here on the years, guys. It looks like we're gonna go higher still. I'm good. At least I've had some... Oh wait, this one. I have to try it. So far I've tested... What was this? I have never heard of that one. FundedNext, I've never heard of that one. TPT I know, Apex I know. MFF I actually also don't know. You should check it out, for sure, go check it out. And yeah, I'm gonna give away an account there anyway, so sign up with the link. It's really important that you use this link to sign up, guys, by the way, else you cannot win the giveaway. Because I can only give the accounts to people that signed up through the link. My Funded Futures. Oh, I know them. Sorry. Yeah, I know them. FundedNext is via Rhythmic. Prop shop trader. Rhythmic. Oh, okay. Use Trade Await. I love Trade Await actually. Just because you can integrate it as well, like perfectly on TradingView. I hope we can catch a banger trade today, guys, but I'm not forcing any trades, just to let you know. I know it's kind of boring to watch the stream like this, guys. I know that's this is like not how other people stream, but I don't want to go into a trade that I would not take usually on my own. So I don't want to force any trade, guys. So I know it's boring to watch right now because we're not in a trade, but that's just how it is. That's just how trading is, guys. You cannot be in a trade all the time. If you want to actually make money, you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna wait for my entries, guys. I hope we'll go to them soon, but right now I don't want to go into any trade here. I don't like this price action here, and there's no actual level for me to trade here. Like this, from here it gets more interesting, but here I don't want to enter into any short, guys. This is like, I don't know, it's way too risky. I'm drinking a cinnamon matcha tea. I've never had this in my life, but it's actually kind of good. So happy I found you. Man, cool, guys. I have some new viewers, or actually real viewers that are probably gonna join my future streams. That's cool, guys. That's cool. I'm happy to stream as well. I'm really new to streaming, guys, but I'm gonna try to stream a lot. Like, I've streamed so much now already. Like, the last 2 weeks I've streamed at least, like, I don't know, like 30 hours. I think it was in total. Yeah, at least 30 hours in total, I think. Because streaming is so much more fun. I used to have like a Discord community, guys, and I used to be active on X. You should also follow me on X, by the way. Let me quickly give you the X link. That's really important because I'm trying to grow. And I also post my live streams every time I go live. I post there. Well, almost every time. I need to post there as well now. But yeah, basically, guys, on this channel, I won't do any, like, I know that, I know in the trading field there are many, like, fake traders and scammers, basically. I don't want to say any names, right? But on this stream, you will only find trades that I actually take myself. So I'm not trading any levels that I would not take myself. But keep in mind, it's an educational stream, guys. I'm not, like, allowed to give you any signals on any trade signals like this. This is just an educational stream. Thank you, man. Thank you for the likes. We have 5 likes already, guys. What is going on? We have a lot of viewers as well today. This is a good sign. My channel might grow a bit today, hopefully. Yeah, goal would be to reach like 10k subscribers somehow in the next, like, I don't know, in the next 10 months or something like this. I'm not sure if it's possible, we'll see. But yeah, guys, on this stream, I'm only gonna take trades that I actually trade myself. So yeah, I know there are many streamers, you know, there are many streamers that are always in a trade and they trade on demo accounts, or not real accounts that they actually get payouts from. And that's a different story, you know. Then I could also always be in a trade on stream. It's not hard to always be in a trade, in a trade, you know what I mean. But it's not, yeah, I don't want to do like streams only for like making money, like based off ad revenue and stuff like this, because there are many people that are doing this. I actually want to only show trades that I take myself. I don't like this like fake stuff. This is crazy. I showed this level, by the way, yesterday on stream, guys. This range point of control, and we retested it twice perfectly. We actually retested it twice perfectly. But I didn't long this. This is the long I took yesterday, which was absolutely such a banger trade. From here to here, guys. From here to here actually was the long 5.2 RR. So this is an absolutely crazy trade. Are some of you guys full-time traders, by the way, in the chat? Or do I have like, are you on the verge of becoming a full-time trader? It would be cool like to know a little bit more about you guys, like... I'm trading 5 days a week. That's crazy. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I have some days where I don't take any trades. So it could be today, we could maybe have a day where I don't take any trades just because I don't hit my levels. What did you say? I'm trading 5 days, yes. Yeah, guys, so I do have days based on my strategy where I don't take any trades because it just doesn't hit any of my levels. So today could be one of these days, but I do think we can go higher here today. I don't think we're gonna stay here for the whole day in this range. But if we stay in this range here for the whole day, I'm most likely not gonna take a trade because unless we go lower, I'm very careful right now, guys, with shorting, by the way, because if you look at this from here, wait, let me show it you like this. Well, we are still though. Let's go to 1 hour, it's easier to show it there. If you look at this, guys, we have seen a massive sell-off here on ES. And honestly, if you look at high time frame, ES is still bullish. We are still in an absolute insane uptrend here. So I'm trying to be really careful with shorts, guys. Especially after this massive pullback here that we've seen. And we are still above this value area high here, so this is still a bullish sign that we didn't go back into this range. So I'm still bullish on ES, there's no need to be bearish. I mean, we are in a massive uptrend on high time frame, so this is why I'm a little bit careful with my shorts, guys, and I want to more look for longs because it's just safer. And statistically speaking, you can win more trades if you, based on the high time frame pattern of ES. So this is why I'm really careful with shorting, guys. And I only want to trade like really good levels to short. But that's crazy if you trade 5 days a week, man. So you basically, how many trades do you take a day? That would be interesting to know as well. Sorry, I was chatting something. 1 to 2 sometimes, 3. Okay, so you're like me. I take around the same amount of trades a day. But not every day. There can be days where I don't take any trade. What is Bitcoin doing, by the way? I mean, Bitcoin is also dumping here and Ethereum is dumping as well. Ethereum is also like still in a downtrend here. It's crazy. But I think we can go higher in Ethereum as well, guys. If you're into crypto, we can still go higher from here, I think. Gold has also been going up again here a bit. And you can see here, guys, we are in this value area. We actually held this here as a support. Look at this. Perfectly held this value low here. We retested it 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we break this level on gold, I think we can go back to the all-time highs, maybe even. But we can at least wait. This is a little bit too. I think we can at least go up here if we break this. Oh, it's so hard to draw this. Well, I'm not gonna draw it. It looks completely wrong. But this is one thing I'm looking at, that gold as well. I'm in a gold long, but on my Forex account only. Strong ES push here again, guys. I mean, it's not really strong, but it's strong compared to what we've seen in the last 1 hour. Same here. How did you start trading, guys? Did you start like... How did you actually get into trading, and how long have you been trading? Like, have you been trading for a long time, or like you've done it for 1 or 2 years? I've been doing it like for 5 years, which is crazy. But I started off with crypto, like I started with investing into crypto. This was the first time how I got into it, like before I even did trading. And I was a complete noob back then. Like I didn't even look at the charts, you know what I mean? But then I started looking at the charts, and I used the charts to invest, and then I got into trading. And yeah, I started off trading crypto, and now I'm like 6 to 8 months ago really got into futures trading on prop terms. Yeah. It's been going well. It's been going great as well. But I also have some accounts that I lost, so it's kind of normal to lose some accounts when you first start out and like refine your strategy. And you also need to find like the right amount to risk per trade and stuff like this, you know what I mean? But we're getting some good views here on YouTube, guys. I'm not sure what's going on today. And it's not even New York Open, guys. On New York Open we can... I think there are a lot of more viewers that could potentially join the stream as well. Because I think most people in the USA start to trade like at New York Open, right? Isn't it like this, guys? Because I see all the other streamers, they always go live at like 3 PM, which is in 2 hours from now. Like this is always the same time that they go live. Come on, let's see some action here, guys, soon, I hope. I honestly don't think we're gonna see a lot of action here in the next like 1 or 2 hours. I traded years ago, retired, and then decided to trade about 3 months ago. Well, that's a funny story. That's a funny story, actually. So did you lose money before when you... Because you decided to stop? I guess you had a bad trade or something like this, or why did you retire? But that's cool, actually. I mean, it's, you know, it's with many people like this. I don't know anyone that hasn't lost a lot of money before, like becoming profitable. It's really rare, guys, for people to learn trading without losing money, a lot of money first. It's really rare, I think. At 8:30, volumes start to pick up. Yeah, so 8:30 is in 2 hours, right? No, not quite 2 hours, like... It's kind of boring right now, guys. I hope we're gonna see some volume soon. It feels like I'm just looking at the same chart. That I've been looking at the same chart for almost like 2 hours now. So you guys trade... What do the other guys in the chat trade? Do you also trade like... do you trade in Nasdaq futures or ES futures? Or you're... Yesterday I had someone in the stream, he was only trading Forex as well. There are also people that only trade Forex. By the way, I need to post my stream on my X account. Wait, guys. I forgot to post my stream. Because whenever I post it on X, there are always some chatters coming in. So I'm actually gonna post my stream on X quickly, guys. I'm just gonna copy this text. I'm too lazy to always rewrite this. But yeah, guys, make sure to join our Discord, by the way. We're really active in Discord. I sometimes even post trades and stuff like this for free. You don't have to pay anything to be in the Discord, guys. It's completely free. Everything I do is free. I'm not selling a single thing here. I know there are a lot of people that are trying to sell you stuff, but I'm not selling you anything. Let me see now. I need the YouTube link. Guys, I will be back to answer your questions. You can also ask some questions, guys, if you want me to check out another chart or if you want me to do some analysis on anything live on stream. Let me know if you have like, yeah, or if you have any questions. Done. Yeah, guys, join our Discord. Alt CryptoBot is also on there. I also have a live trading profile with him together on Binance and Bybit. You can also check that out if you want. All right, let me do my expose, guys, before I forget. We're also on Twitch. You know what? I'm just gonna do Kick, and I don't care about Twitch account yet. And yes, guys, we're gonna give away a 25k futures account completely free of charge. You don't have to pay a single dime. All you have to do is sign up with my link and type exclamation mark 25k. And we have some people that joined. I see all the people that joined, so I'm gonna check again now quickly. Wait, this is the wrong thing. So make sure to join the giveaway if you want to win an account for free, guys. Oh, your message got deleted somehow. That wasn't from us. I have no idea why it got deleted. Let me see if I can see the message. Can I give, by the way, is it possible to give like ranks on YouTube on stream, like for viewers that are really active? Does anyone know that? Because I know on Kick you're able to give like certain ranks to people that watch your stream and are really active. Alright guys, I think I now posted on X, that's good. But yeah guys, if you want me to do like any analysis or stuff like this, and this is how you join the giveaway for the new people that are watching. If you want me to do an analysis on another chart, like for example Nasdaq, well Nasdaq is kind of similar to ES though. I hope we're gonna see some volatility, boys. This is getting crazy. But we have to be patient here, not rush into anything. That's one thing I had to really learn, guys, not rush into any trades. It can be, when you start to trade, it can be really difficult to just look at the chart and you're like, oh my god, I see this here, we could short this here, you know what I mean? But sometimes you just have to mark your levels at the start. This is what I do usually. When I wake up, guys, I mark my levels that I want to trade. I always mark my levels that I want to trade. And if they don't hit, I'm not going to take any trade. I'm not going to, for example, if this is a level, and this is a level, and this here's a level, right? Then I'm not gonna, even if you go down here to this, this could be a potential long that you could trade. I'm not gonna trade that, guys, because this is the level that I marked out and these are the two levels that I marked out. So I have 4 levels marked out right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna rush into anything. I'm sure many of you guys know what I mean by this. Because this is one thing that can happen if you're not really strict, guys, that you start to do trades that you usually would not take. And obviously these trades are usually gonna be a stop loss then. Like, you really have to keep your emotions under control, guys. I can actually show you a book that I'm reading. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's in the kitchen, I think. I can show you a book that I've been reading that's really good, guys. Wait, let me quickly get it. I'm quickly gonna get it. guys, this is the book that I'm reading. It's called Trading in the Zone. And it's from a really well-known trader, and it's basically only about trading emotions. And yeah, I can highly recommend you to read that, guys. If you have some issues with like psychology and revenge trading and stuff like this, this is really one that helped me out a lot. Are you guys done trading for it today, or are you still looking for setups as well? Because I used to have a guy, he was always done trading, like when he watched my streams, whenever I started to stream, he was already done with trading. Because his take profits already hit. Let me see if my kick stream is running as well here, creator dashboard. Yeah, we actually have some followers here on Kick as well. That's cool, guys. We did get some new followers on Kick as well. That's cool. Let me see though. We just gotta be patient here, guys. Let me see if let me put on my OBS so I can actually see the chat properly. There we go. I might take a quick break for 5 minutes, guys, because the chart is literally not moving here. Where are you from? I'm from Switzerland, my friend. I am from Switzerland. I'm living in the middle of Switzerland right now. With a really beautiful view here. Directly, I'm seeing the mountains here and the lake in front of me, which is perfect for trading. I'm actually gonna upload some, guys, I'm actually gonna start to upload some in real life content on this channel as well. Like, I don't know, like going for a ride with my bike, with my car, and maybe showing you also my apartment a little bit. My room, like a small room tour video. So I can show you the view and stuff like this, because you cannot see it on the stream. Wow, we have some kick emojis coming in, man. I've never seen them come in, that's cool. Guys, by the way, I have no idea how I'm gonna reach 50, no wait, I need 25 subscribers on Kick. I have no freaking idea how I'm ever gonna reach that to get partnered, because I would love to get partnered as well. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna... I guess I just have to trade really well on stream and people are gonna start to subscribe. We had some insane streams. Guys, I might, by the way, 1 second, I'm gonna read the chat soon. I have to type something here to a friend. But yeah, I have actually some videos done on another channel. I might just actually re-upload them on this one, because I want to use this channel as my main channel. I've used this one for a long time and I have no idea why I created another channel. Let me check something. No, please. There we go, guys. Alright, I'm back with you here. I think the screen froze, maybe? No, it didn't. What did I want to do now? One thing that I want to do... Yeah, let me check that quickly. How many people joined the giveaway? Guys, if you're new here watching, join the giveaway. I'm gonna give away a 25k account by the end of the stream for free. Like, you don't have to pay anything, and the winners will be announced on stream and also on Discord. I will text you then. And all I'm gonna need for you to do, guys, is sign up with an email using my link. Wait, I'm gonna type it. You have to type exclamation giveaway. Exclamation giveaway on Kick, YouTube or Twitch, doesn't matter. And then you just follow the steps and type exclamation 25k and you will be able to join the giveaway. And I'm gonna announce tonight when I finished, when I'm gonna stop my stream, I'm gonna announce the winner live on stream, guys. And we gave away like 5 or 6 accounts of those so far, which is, yeah, we're actually gonna give them away for real. These are not fake giveaways, and you don't have to pay anything. And if you lose the account, it doesn't matter, guys. So yeah, it's a good way to start trading or even scaling. If you're already a good trader, you can just take this account, pass it, and then you can get payouts. Yo is back, man. He's back in the chat, boys. It's been a long time since I've seen him in the chat. But it looks like my channel is finally... This channel is not shadow banned, so my other channel that I switched over and streamed on was a little bit... I'm not sure what was wrong with that channel, guys. I did get like no chatters at all, so I switched back to this one. I'm gonna stick to this one most likely now. But I haven't done a trade, guys, so far today, because I'm just waiting for my levels. By the way, let me check something. So these are the levels. Only yesterday I wasn't there because I wasn't seeing you. Yeah, this was the thing, guys. On the other channel, like, people subscribed and didn't get a notification even though I was live. So I was like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, so I switched back to this channel and it works out great. We have a lot more people chatting. We have some viewers that are real in here as well. And yeah, guys, by the way, guys, I might stop the stream like for 1 hour soon, but I will be back. I will be back at New York Open. But I might stop it for like to take a small break and come back because I've already been like live 1.5 hours. But these are the trades, guys. These are the trades I'm going to quickly show you that I'm looking to take today for all the new viewers. So first of all, I have 2 longs. Here's a long. This is a decent level, but not the strongest one. But I am going to risk this and take a trade here. Take profit is at the highs here. Wait, is it actually at the high here? Because I wouldn't want to... I'm actually going to take them, place them here. At the value or high. Oh wait, I didn't confirm. But this is one trade, so I'm risking $100, guys, for this trade, $108 if we go into stop loss, and I can make on this trade, let me see, 1k only on this one, not only, it's really good. And on this one is my, this is a really strong level, guys. I think here we will surely see a reaction, and I did put the wider stop loss here for $200, and take profit would be for 1.2k at the highs here as well. So these are the longs, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go down here, honestly. It looks kind of bullish still. I do expect higher. And here I didn't place any limit orders. Why? Because I want to wait for the reaction at these levels. But here's a really decent short entry that I would personally take. And also here at this level. And if this one breaks, guys, we're gonna go to the previous size most likely if these levels break. But I'm not looking to short here. This is too risky for me to short. I'm gonna wait for these 2 levels. And why do I not want to short this, guys? I said this many times before, because we are in a massive uptrend still, guys. There is no reason to, like, especially after this massive pullback here, why would I look for shorts at this level here now? You know what I mean? This is like, it looks like we can see another move to the highs here again, at least for now. We did hold this VWAP here perfectly. Now we need to break above this one here. This will be the first bullish sign. So this is my plan for everyone that's new here in the stream, guys. For today, I'm not rushing into any trades. I'm not gonna just take a trade because I'm streaming, guys. But why is it a strong level? It's a strong level from exo charts. It's a session point of control. It's a time and volume session point of control. So this is where in the previous time the price was staying at for a long time, and also there was the most volume traded at that level before. So what does this mean? This means that there's a lot of liquidity at this level, and we can expect a stronger pullback from that level. And it's from exo charts. I posted the screenshot to it on my Discord, by the way, guys, from this level from exo charts. So this is not based on my trading view analysis. These are, as you can see here, there's not really a level here. Up here it makes more sense. If we go to, like, let me see, if we go to 30 minutes, it's a little below this 30-minute resistance here as well, this level. But these are 2 session point of controls here. And in the past, guys, they have been really, really strong resistance or support zones. And this is here this insanely strong session point of control. 6760, I also posted this. So yeah, but what I love to see, and as you can see here, I didn't place a limit here because it's short, guys, and I do think we can go higher here, even though this is a strong resistance. But what I love to see usually, guys, when I have a session point of control or a daily naked point of control from exo charts, in combination with 1 hour resistance zones, 1 hour support levels, and obviously market structure also always plays a role. For example, if we are up here over the previous highs, then you can maybe start to look for shorts, right? If you are at the previous lows here, for example, we did retest this previous value area high, we held it, we did retest this anchored VWAP, we held it as well. So this shows that the uptrend is gonna go on, guys, and this is why I mainly wanna look for longs. And I don't wanna gamble too much on shorts because we are in a high time frame uptrend still. So yeah, this is like the strategy behind it. And my thinking process a little bit explained more. But these levels here are from, yes, this one is a 1 hour support, this one is from exo charts, and these two are from exo charts. This is based on technical analysis here. Hope that makes sense, guys. Let me quickly check one thing, guys. But I hope you had a good trading week. Yo-Yo, did you have a good trading week? Well, how can I see this on my stream though? Wait. Really slow market today, it's kind of boring. Check. Extremely good, nice, man. What did you... levels? What do you mean by levels, Everstein? Did you have a question regarding my levels, or I'm not sure what you typed there? It's the first week I completely follow my rules. The week before I blow an account. Man, that's... yeah, that's good. You have to be really strict. I understand how you feel. I also blew one of my accounts. I think it was like 1 month ago. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes your emotions just play wild. It can be on one day. You need to be really, really patient, really strict, I mean, guys, with your emotions. It triggers you so much. Yeah. I know how this feels, don't worry. Like, the week before I blown up, so much that I changed stuff. Yeah, I completely understand what you mean. This can be so annoying, honestly. Yeah, if it happens, you get really annoyed. I had this as well, don't worry. I know how it feels. Someone commented on Kick, follow me back so we can discuss better. And then I've spotted your name a few times on Kick, respect for staying consistent. It takes real focus to keep streaming regularly. Yeah, thank you, man, guys, for these kind words here on my X. That's cool to see. Got some followers as well, that's cool. I really need to grow my X. I want to grow on X because I like to use X. It's you only have to type stuff. And I also want to grow my YouTube and Kick, guys. Let me quickly see if my friend responds to my message, because I'm actually waiting for a message from him. The market is so slow right now. It's like absolutely... It's kind of boring, guys. I'm gonna be honest. Waiting for this levels, it's kind of boring to stream like this. So I'm really considering going, like, stopping the stream for like 1 hour and coming back. But I'm gonna leave these longs open. Here I'm not gonna leave them open, but I will put an alert here, guys. Add alert. As you can see, I'm gonna add alert here, and I'm gonna add an alert here. There we go. Added alerts. I missed an easy trade. What do you say to me so much? And I know the mistakes you know. I missed an easy trade 9:30 when I was at work. Yeah, but this is also like, but you have to be really like, you should never get upset, but it's so hard sometimes. I missed some insane trades last week as well. Like, it was kind of frustrating. And last week I had 2 trades, or I think it was 2 weeks ago, that didn't get filled because like a small wicket was absolutely like annoying. It's the worst thing when that happens. Yeah, we got a question. You're still in the stream, man, Evestein. I thought you went AFK or something. Sad. So once you connect to FundedNext, what do you do next? Wait. So wait, I'm gonna type. So you mean to join the giveaway? So to join the giveaway, you just go to. I'm gonna type it again, so the bot is gonna post it. You have to use the link to sign up, and then type this, type 25k like this. I'm gonna type it quickly, and this will get you into the giveaway. But you have to use the link here to sign up. This is my link, and if you don't use that, I cannot give you the account, sadly. Or do you mean what you do on FundedNext? I didn't understand your question. Like, what accounts are interesting, or was it about the giveaway? So if you, maybe I'm also gonna quickly explain FundedNext. I think you also asked this as your question. So on FundedNext, you can basically trade futures, or you can trade Forex. I love to trade, I'm gonna be honest, guys. Wait, what is this? Oh, they also added USA, by the way. You now can buy Forex accounts from the USA. This is something new they added like 1 or 2 days ago, I guess. That's cool. So even if you are from the USA, guys, you're able to buy Forex accounts now. You weren't able to do this back then, but it's back now again, somehow. Looks like they found a legal loophole or something like this. But yeah, the accounts I'm using, guys, the best accounts in my opinion, let's keep it quick. I use the Rapid Challenge. So if you go to futures, you have to select the Rapid Challenge. And I personally use the 50k, but honestly, guys, if you're starting out, buy the 25ks. If you're not profitable yet, buy 25k accounts and not the 50k accounts, because there's no need to spend more. And the 25k accounts are just as good, they're cheaper, but don't buy the 100k accounts. The best accounts are either the 25k or the 50k accounts, and you can stack them. That means you can have up to 300k. No matter, so you can have either, you can have, wait, how many are those? 4, 8, you can have 12 25k accounts, or you can have 6 50k accounts. I hope that answered your question. For Forex, the best, if you want to trade Forex, guys, the best accounts are the Stellar Light accounts on FundedNext, for sure, in my opinion. Stellar Light, they're the cheapest, they have the best rules, you have the highest drawdown, you have the best profit goal. I use them. I use the 200k on Forex, but you can, yeah, there are different sizes as well. And really important, guys, this is one thing that I also didn't know how to set up first. Once you bought an account on FundedNext, once you bought a future account or you got one, you have to log on to the account on TraderWeight on the website, log in, and then you go to the settings and you can enable add-ons, and you can enable TradingView, and after that you can log in on your account on TradingView, and you can place all the trades here like I'm doing it. You can buy it here, you can right press and buy, you can change the contracts, you can put the stop loss here, you can put the take profit and stop loss here on the chart. It's really cool to trade, guys, or directly over TradingView. So this is my setup. I think bigger account, easier. I think bigger account is easier. 25k is pretty hard. Is that true? Let me see. Is that actually true? Let me see the exact targets again. So the profit target is just the double. And the loss is just the half. On 50k it's 2.5k you can lose, and then profit target is 2.5k. I think it's the same, honestly. I don't think there's a big difference. On the 100k there is a difference. On the 100k is actually harder, I think, because you have a you have a bigger account. Well, not harder, no. Well, it really depends on the contracts, you know what I mean, but it should be the same actually, in my opinion. More room for errors. Yeah, well, it depends though on the contracts. If you just use the double amount of contracts that you would use on a 25k account, on a 50k account, your risk is gonna be exactly the same, you know what I mean? But I know what you mean. You have like a higher account size, so theoretically you can... Yeah, it's theoretically harder to lose the account. But if you use the exact same risk that you would use on your 25k account, just on your 50k account, it's exactly the same. But I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. At least I think so. What is this price action, guys? We're hardly moving. These are like, look at this. I mean, well, we saw a little pump here, but I said we're gonna go above this here before on stream, and it happened now. I didn't want to short this. This is like a really bad short in my opinion. This is how you get wrecked, trying to short this level like this. In the middle of the range, there's like so much more liquidity higher. Let me quickly look at the order flow, guys. What is the order flow showing? We also had some bullish. We also had some bullish CVD, by the way. Let me see what the CVD is telling us. It's looking bullish, guys. We have positive delta. Yeah, I mean positive CVD. CVD is going up and up. And the price is going higher, so that looks healthy, like a healthy move to the upside. Well, we also had some nice bullish CVD at the lows at 6803. Gave me a signal here also on the CVD, but I never trade based on CVD only. It's just a confluence, guys. So we have the previous day point of control, guys, at 6852. 6852. I'm actually gonna put this on the chart here just so we know. Well, this is exactly at this level as well. That's funny. Wait, let me actually... 6852, yep. I'm gonna actually think I have this here. Oh, don't tell me I deleted that. Wait, did I actually delete that? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna make a new one. Previous day, POC. We're gonna make this a little bit orange, a little bit red here. That's it. I want text. I want this line to be red, small red as well. Then we're gonna save it. Give it the name previous day point of control. There we go. 68. Let me check again if the level is correct. 6852. And we have the previous day value area high, guys. We have the previous day value area high at 6857. Well, this is the exactly high, obviously, here. So we can actually do it like this. Wait, I'm gonna place a new one here. Oh, this magnet. I'm gonna place a new one. For this one, I have one already. Value area high. 685775. And I'm taking these levels from extra charts, guys. I'm not gonna trade these levels, by the way, these two most likely, but it's still nice to see them on the chart. There we go. So this is the previous value area high, where we had the highest volume of the previous day. No, sorry, this was the sorry, this was the this was 6852 previous day point of controls, where we had the highest volume of yesterday. So it's good to keep that in mind. But honestly, it looks like we're gonna go higher. The order flow looks kind of good here. Yeah, it looks healthy, like a healthy move to the upside. Let me see what he wrote, guys. Having bigger account easier. Maybe I'm wrong because of the drawdown. Yeah, no, I know what you mean. It's not wrong what you said. It's not wrong what you said, guy. Wait, let me see. Oh, I actually got some comment from Kick as well. I don't know why I can't see you live on your YouTube. Even I already subscribed. Maybe you subscribed on my wrong channel, by the way, because I changed the channels. I changed the channels before, and the one was shadow banned. I'm gonna wait. Let me quickly type to you on Kick. Let me quickly type to you on Kick here with the link. Make sure to subscribe to this one. You should get announcements on this channel, by the way. You should get announcements here. I just posted on Kick. Thank you for watching on Kick as well, guys. By the way, we have some viewers on Kick as well. Strong push here. Strong push here, actually. I need to keep OBS open so I can see. Now I can see all chats. So even if you chat from Twitch or Kick, I will be able to see the chat. Wait, now I just closed it by accident. There we go. Waiting for the dip to buy. But where are you looking to buy the dip? It would be interesting to see some of your trades as well, guys. So I'm not the only one showing my trades. You can also show some of yours. Would be funny to see it, like to look at the trades that you guys are taking. So if you want to share your setup, post it in the chat, guys. I'm gonna check your setup out and see if I would also take this trade or if I wouldn't take it, whatever. That doesn't mean you shouldn't take it, by the way. You should always follow your own plan, but it's still interesting to see your levels, guys. And I think I'm gonna take a quick break soon, for 1 hour, and then I'll be back streaming until like 5 PM. So basically gonna go AFK until New York Open, we'll see. Maybe I'm also gonna leave the stream running, we'll see. So which dip are you looking to buy? Futures trader, which dip are you actually looking to buy? But yeah, it looks bullish, man. It looks bullish. And I do have the feeling that we're just gonna go high, squeeze above here, guys. I do have this feeling, but we'll see. It is a valid resistance, but I don't like to long short this, I think. 6822. Let me see where you entered. Oh, you want to enter here, I mean. Oh, nice. So you basically want to enter on this. Let me see. And this is a 30 minute. Let me see. Like, this is a 30. Oh, now I need the magnet. I disabled it. So here is what is it level? 6822. 6822. So this is 6824. Let me go on 5 minute. Let me see on 5 minute chart. Oh, you're looking at this, I guess, right? At this wick here. There's also a nice wick here on 5 minute time frame. And let me see what else we have here. I would also pull a fib here. Depending on how high we go. We have to wait here, see how high we go. Fib would be here, okay. But we can still go over. And what VWAP? VWAP, let me see. Well, this one from here, but let me see in the extra charts what the VWAP actually is. Oh yeah, it's on 6822. I can see it on extra charts. It's the daily VWAP, yeah, exactly at that level. I have this in extra charts as well. It is 6822.96 to the exact amount. This is where the daily VWAP is at. And the previous daily VWAP was at 6815, guys. Wow, we're pumping, guys. What the heck is going on right now? We're actually pumping. I can see on extra charts we're going up a lot here. Many buys. Guys, am I allowed to show extra charts, by the way? Am I actually allowed to show that? Because I paid for this. I don't think I'm allowed to show it. Unless I have the professional license, which I probably have to buy. So I could actually show you the extra charts as well. A lot of buys coming in here. I need to quickly check something here, guys. Let me see what this shows here. How much? Let me see. Guys, give me 1 second. I have to focus quickly. This is why I'm not chatting. On 30 minutes sweep. Yeah, that looks like a decent trade, I guess. If you want to catch this, but I'm not sure. Let's see if we're gonna go down there. Wow, we have a lot of contracts that opened here, guys. You have 600 contracts. 600 micro contracts that opened in the last 50 minutes. Market buys. This is kind of crazy. It's just going up at this point. It'll be interesting to look at this once you go back to the previous highs. To see if you have actually a CVD diversions that could be forming. I'm not biased, yeah. You should never be biased, honestly. You should never be biased and just trade the levels. At least that's how I do it. Monkey see, monkey do. Yeah, this is a good... it's a good way of putting it, actually. Oh, we're pumping, though. We're about to go to the previous day point of control soon, guys, I think. Here into the value area high. And this is the VWAP. We pull it from here. This was when we started today. 6. Yeah, look at this VWAP here. This is the daily VWAP basically. You should always be biased, no. Bias equals trend, always trade trend direction. Well, yeah, it's a little bit, how should I say this? I mean, you do have a bias, but you should never, like, let's say we have a long bias here, right, on high time frame. You should still look for shorts at really good levels, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Even though we have a long bias overall, I'm still gonna try to play some shorts, but only at the best levels, of course. Market always goes to the right. That's funny, actually. It does always go to the right on the chart, that's true, I mean. That's a good one, actually, honestly. It can never go to the left, the market, guys. It can never go to the left on the chart. Guys, what do you think? Should I take a quick break for like 1 hour? I think I am. Because the market isn't moving that much right now. I will be back though in 1 hour. Don't get me wrong. I will be back in 1 hour. So don't, yeah. It'd be cool if you guys can be back on the stream if I come back. Guys, I think I'm gonna take a quick break because I haven't eaten anything yet. And I've been live for like 2 hours. I'm gonna be back, guys, in 1 hour. I'm gonna try to be back in 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna leave these longs open. I'm not gonna leave a short open here, but these are 2 levels that I potentially would short, but let's wait for them. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I will be back and we'll do the giveaway after the next stream ends. 2 then I stay. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be 1 hour from now. Because the New York Open is gonna be in 1 hour. Until then, it's probably just not gonna be a lot happening. But yeah, nice to see you back then, guys. Yeah, and see you guys. I'll go off now. See you back. I'll also post it on X, I guess, again.